success is for everyone. You're special. You're live on the set with Kareem Jackson. Kareem Jackson is here. Turn your dreams into reality. Remember, baby, success is for everyone. Live on the set. New shows weekly.
You guys, 2021 is here and we're all trying to pivot and bounce back our businesses. We were warned in 2018 and in 2020 the entire world was on lockdown and everyone needs to rejuvenate, revive, and to grow their businesses. Entrepreneurs out there, business owners, executives, CEOs, we are all trying to figure all of this out. And if you're trying to understand how you can save money on labor costs, how you can save money on printing costs and operational costs, I have the secret. I've been doing this. I've been blessed to be able to live the life that I've wanted to live and to be blessed to be free, to live the life that I enjoy for the last decade. And I want to give that secret to you. So this is my LinkedIn Live event. Hope that you guys enjoy this. You can see it on LinkedIn. You can connect with me on LinkedIn. You can also see it at KareemAntonio.com. But I'm going to be telling you all about in-house versus remote workers, also versus outsourcing. And I think that that is the difference between survival and death for many businesses. The same as it was for my business in 2018. I fixed my business, I revived it, I got the life that I never thought was possible in the same situation out of that. So I think that I want to help you guys to get the same thing. Maybe this isn't for everyone, but if you're out there and you want to figure out how to reinvent yourself, pivot your business, to revive everything, and to save money, which allows you to put more money into the things you want, allows you to have more time for the life like this, because I'm sitting here meditating, doing yoga. I've got phenomenal staff in Boracay, Philippines, you guys, going ahead, helping clients, writing books. We're doing 5 magazines right now. We have multiple websites that we manage, multiple social media accounts, LinkedIn accounts, and I can do it while I sit here in yoga because I have outsourced all of the things that do not matter specifically to my business and to my passions. So you can do the same thing. If you're doing social media management, if you're doing anything to do with billing and collections and graphics and design, printing and all of those things, stop doing that right now. Join my LinkedIn Live event next week, you guys. We're talking all about this, and this saved me 50% off, 50% people off of my labor costs. It also saved me 80% off my printing costs. It gave me the freedom to be able to live in the tropics. I'm in the Philippines Islands right now, you guys. I'm at the Writers Retreat Bungalow doing yoga, okay? That to me is amazing. And if you're a black minority entrepreneur, you know that it's very hard for us to get free from the rat race, to get free from the plantation. So if you're out there and you're curious about this, you're wondering how you can revive your company, how you can grow your company, how you can pivot your company, or how you can start your own business with nothing, with little to nothing in the bank, this is going to be the LinkedIn Live event that you're going to want to see. So join here my event somewhere down below, you guys. You can also subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can connect with me on LinkedIn. Please do, please do. And I want you to understand that this is the way the big boys do. This is specifically for middle to small to micro to dreaming newbie wannabe entrepreneurs. This is specifically for you. So understand, you guys, there's a big difference between nowadays. Sorry, you guys, I'm really here at the retreat, you guys. We are really outside. I wanted to do this video because I want you guys to understand how serious this is for me. I took a moment out to do this. So understand, you guys, nowadays there's a big difference between in-house workers, remote workers, and also outsourcing. Okay, T-Mobile made more money than they've ever made in the history of their company in 2020 during the pandemic, when we were all freaked out and suffering because all of their people went home and remote work. And many of those people, I mean tens of thousands, are never going to go back to the office again. Many people who didn't go back to work or don't have jobs, they are out here doing gigs, starting their own businesses and all of that great stuff. There is a new normal, and it's not bad news. It's all good news. And I want to bring you the good news, people. So please, again, join and connect with me on LinkedIn and get into this LinkedIn Live event next week, you guys. We're talking about in-house, remote versus outsourcing, and also about survival versus death of your business, of course, because this is how I got free. Many of you guys are asking how I did it. You ask me all the time at AskKareemAntonio.com. You go to the websites. I love you guys. You're really amazing. So I'm putting these LinkedIn Live series together. I've had a few of them already, so I wanted to personally invite you to this one coming up. In-house, remote versus outsourcing, and survival versus death. So you guys understand. I'm here in the Philippines, live on the set of the Writers Retreat Bungalow, talking to you right now because I outsourced everything and got free. Again, you guys, you can look for my ebook on Google Play and the App Store too, Outsource Everything. So you guys, join the event. Please click here, somewhere here, join the event, look for the link. This is going to be a great situation, and I'm going to be telling you personally how to do it. It's a 2-hour event seminar, you guys. So we're getting into the deep, dirty gritty of this stuff. And I've never done this before. I'm putting it all in. I want you guys to join me, no matter who you are. This is going to be the great event for you. So again, Kareem Jackson live on the set, Minimalist CEO. If you guys don't know me, I help minimalist CEOs and people out there that are woke entrepreneurs to minimalize their cluttered lifestyles, help them to outsource their business processes to make more money, more profits, and live the dream life they've always wanted to live while doing it. That's who I am. So if you're here for the first time, you guys, thank you for being here. Join the event. And also, go to KareemAntonio.com. Look around. There's great stuff there. Our sponsors, you guys, Outs.us, also amazing. They're the ones partnering with me in this event. They're our sponsors. So go to Outs.us, you guys, and see more things there. And again, connect with me. Send me a message below. I'm here for you. I love you. And we are here to show you how to reinvent and to pivot and to bounce back here in 2021. Cheers. Successes for everyone. And that means you. Cheers.